Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change light Fiat 500. First, prepare your workspace and gather the correct bulb and basic tools. Next, disconnect the battery negative terminal and remove the light housing carefully. Then, replace the bulb with a matching type, test the light, and reassemble the housing securely. Finally, double-check alignment and clean the lens so the light performs safely and clearly. Start by locating the exact housing for the headlamp or tail lamp on your Fiat 500. Remove any covers or trim that block access and undo the securing screws or clips. Carefully pull the assembly free so you can reach the bulb socket. Grip the base, twist gently, and extract the old bulb while avoiding glass contact. Dispose of the old bulb properly before fitting the replacement to prevent contamination and damage. Handle the new bulb safely and only touch the base to avoid oil residue on the glass that could shorten bulb life. Align the bulb pins, insert into the socket, and twist until it locks into place. Reconnect the wiring harness and return the housing to its mount, ensuring all clips and screws are tightened. Finally, reconnect the battery negative terminal and test the light for correct operation and beam alignment before driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.